In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the domain name in your Siteground website. If you're moving your site to a new domain or connecting a newly purchased domain to your existing Siteground website, the key is making sure the domain points to the right server. In this walkthrough, we'll gather all the essential details from your Siteground account. Things like your server location, IP address, and name servers, so you can update your domain confidently and minimize downtime. Start by heading to your Siteground account homepage. Once you're in, look for the Websites section. This is where all of your hosted sites are listed in one place, making it easy to manage settings for the exact site you're updating. Find the website you're changing and open the menu with the three dots beside it. From there, choose Server Details. This panel is your control center for the connection information your new domain will rely on. Keep this page open while you make changes with your domain provider so you can copy values accurately. At the top, you'll see the data center. This shows the physical region where your site is hosted. You don't have to change anything here to switch domains, but it's useful to know a data center closer to your audience can help with speed. If you ever plan content for a different region, this context explains why your site performs the way it does. Next, look for your server's IP address. This is crucial if you prefer pointing your new domain with an A record rather than changing name servers. Copy the IPv4 address exactly, and note that some providers also support multiple A records for IPv6. If you're unsure which method your registrar recommends, this is the field they usually mean when they ask for your hosting IP. Finally, check the name servers section. These are the authoritative name servers assigned to your Siteground account. If you choose to point your domain by updating name servers, you'll paste these values at your domain registrar. Using name servers allows Siteground to manage your DNS zones automatically, which can be simpler if you plan to add records like mail or subdomains later. After updating either name servers or that A record with your registrar, allow time for DNS propagation, anywhere from a few minutes to 24 or 48 hours depending on global caching. Once your new domain points correctly, visit your site with the new address to confirm it resolves and loads securely. If you rely on a CMS or caching, give it a moment, clear your cache if needed, and you're set. That's it. Your new domain is now connected to your Siteground website.